A number of dignitaries and ministries from the cabinet attended a mass break fasting event held by the Saudi Arabian Embassy in Indonesia at Hotel St. Regis on March 28, 2023. Coordinating Minister on Economy, Airlangga Hartarto said that his attendance at the event did not mean that he disobeyed the President's directive. He added that he merely respected the invitation from a big country like Saudi Arabia. Previously, President Joko Widodo had issued a directive that prohibits the government's official to hold mass break fasting. The directive was stipulated in the Cabinet Secretariat letter number 38/SASCAP/DKK/03/2023. The directive said that the government's officials and employees were asked to not hold mass break fasting event during Ramadan. Home Affairs Minister Tito Karnavian and Tourism and Creative Economy Minister Sandiaga Uno also attended the event. Other dignitaries at the event included former Vice President Yusuf Kala and Nation Awakening Party or PKB chairperson Muhaimin Iskandar, and also dignitaries from diplomatic community in Jakarta.